This is the October Daily. I'm using the black RollerSizeR. I'm also using a new name, my new married name, Lizzie Navarre Palladino. So I'm going to do it with you. The first exercise is 20 push-ups. I put the RollerSizeR alongside the sink. I go up on my toes. I make sure that the chest touches the roller, not this way. And we'll do 3. And if you can only do 5, then you'll just do 5, 6, 7, and you're supposed to do it with me. 8, 9. My elbows are out. My chin is up. I'm squeezing my shoulder blades. I'm bringing my tummy in because I had a lot of cupcakes and groom cake. And that's about 15, 16. And exhale when I go away. Yep, I'll do this in the morning. There's 20. I step back, the next one says 10 knee up marches. 1, 2, I keep my chest up, 3, 4, my knees are a little bit tight because I play a lot of tennis. I'm not letting my body sink, keeping it up. You're doing it with me. I'm pulling on the RollerSizeR. People want to say, how come my arms look toned? Well, I use this every day, that's why. Okay, heel shuffles. It says just do 10, but I like to get a lot of that. Gets the blood going in the legs. Okay, after the 10 heel shuffles, I do a upper and lower calf stretch. So I put my leg back, I push my hips through, and I just wait. I'm feeling it right here, the meat of the calf. When you have a calf injury or you pull a calf muscle, you can be out for quite a bit. Then I just bend my knee a little bit, and it goes right into my Achilles or the soleus part of the calf. Okay, and I do the other side. Calf, push my hips through. Okay, I can't go do this. Gotta push my hips through. Here we go, like that. And I just bend the knee a little bit. Keep my hips forward and my chest is up. And the very next one is the lunge curtsy, hold the sink. So here's my sink. I turn my feet out just a little bit. I'm gonna lunge back and I'm gonna curtsy. Now what I try to do there is I try to get the knees to be kind of touching. And I do a little curtsy. Okay. And I don't start with my feet straight. I have them turn out a little bit. And I do a little curtsy. And I really love that on my hips right here. Oh, I like that. And I just do 1 on each side because I'm trying to get the hips together. After the lunge curtsy, hip X stretch. Okay. Straight leg, holding the sink. I'm getting a big stretch across my hips. Now we have to remember that there is no RollerSizeR unless I dislocated my hip. And I dislocated my right hip about 10 years ago. And since then, it's been feeling fabulous because of the RollerSizeR. Okay, a nice X hip stretch. Just do 1 on 1. 20 side hip knee high pulses. You can always lift a leg up, right, and pulse. But what I like to do is when I use the RollerSizeR, sometimes trainers will do a little ball. But what's great about this is you can actually get a grip of it right in your leg. And I even have some slippery, lotion on my legs. So I put my tummy in and then I really lift my leg up. And so I'm gripping this. It's going right up in here. Okay, and then I have 20 because in the membership for the month of October, you're doing this with me, right? So notice I haven't stopped. It's morning. Actually, it's not. It's afternoon. This is the way my hair looks all through the day anyway. So in October, we're really focusing on hips and butt. So you don't want to have a flat butt because that's not good. You want to have a nice perky butt and narrow hips. So that's why we did 20. I hope that was 20. Okay, we do, oh, I love that feeling. Okay, here comes my hip that I dislocated, but you can see it is attached to my body, and it's because the RollerSizeR helped me. I don't know, it just made it easier for me to make fitness easier and to align the body. So you see I'm working the hamstrings. Got that tummy in there. Cake. Oh yeah, risotto. Risotto too. Too much white food. Perfect. Oh yes. Oh, I love it. Okay, after the side hip knee pulses, the PDF is on the RollerSizeR.com website, so you can print it out and put it in the sink. 10 leg kicks. So easy. Okay, so I step back, I kick, and this part of my tushy has a little knot in it. I wonder why. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's better, 8, 9, and 10. Go right to the other side. When I step back and I release my foot a little bit. Release my foot, kick, whoops, missed one. 4, 5, see my arms being held out like this? That's why my arms are getting toned too. I'm pulling on this. Yeah, because you know, if you're like this and you just go, oh, kick my leg, arms aren't doing anything. And if you had weights, it'd be a little bit too heavy. But this keeps the arms postured, right? There's 2 more. That's the 10 leg kicks. I feel like a rocket. Sink turnarounds. 2. There. Got this. Sink. Twist. And oh, I love it. It says 2, so that's 2 and 2, right? 2. 2. Good, 2. Orbits. Orbits. Actually, Frank, my new husband, he's the one that invented orbits. He did this in our house when we were in Connecticut. Orbits, just open up the shoulders, and I go this way too. It's all so good. Oh yeah, that's so good. After the orbits, there's 4. I'm gonna do these flicks. Flick and kick my butt. Now this knee, for whatever reason, is happy. But this one is this quad is a little tight. But it's getting better, because I've been doing this now, top of the month. Okay, apple butt calf raises. Take the RollerSizeR, put it between my knees. Side view butt. No tucking, no good. Belly button to the spine, no. You need to lift your butt. I grab mine, I lift it up a little bit. I feel a little pressure here. Up and down and up and down. Up and down, keep my butt up. Do not tuck, you'll have all kinds of problems. You'll get bursitis, you'll have a bad neck, you'll have a poochie stomach. Keep the butt up and do 10. And then after that, grab your coffee. Your body's got a little heart rate going. I have my beautiful orange flowers, as I had a home wedding in this time of COVID. We got married licensed virtual, and then to keep everybody safe, we did it right outside in our condo hallway. Perfect. All right, that's the October daily. Do it daily. And like and subscribe. If you don't have a RollerSizeR, you can purchase it on the website, $39.95, and you get a whole month of my live classes online. Bye. Hey guys, life is short, but if you can make it fit into your life that you are now, that's great.